Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain to you guys how Canadian taxes work in 3 minutes. What is your income? Your income is the total amount of money you earn in a year. Those sources of income include earnings from employment, interests, dividends, and real estate properties. A percentage of your total income is collected and shared by the federal tax and provincial tax to help pay for public services like healthcare, infrastructure, and education. The federal tax rate is the same for all citizens depending on income level. The provincial tax rate varies from province to province and year to year. The Canadian tax system is a progressive system, which means the more you earn, the higher percentage of income tax you pay. Now the percentage depends on your tax bracket or level of income. For example, say your income is $100,000. If we look at the chart, between $97,000 and $150,000, you would be taxed at 26%. But that does not mean the whole $100,000 is taxed at 26%. The different levels are taxed at different tax rates. So to calculate how much you would owe the government, we would do 15% of the first $48,535, then 20.5% for the value between $97,000 and $48,500, and finally 26% on what's remaining of the $100,000. The federal tax owed here would be $17,757.78. You should know you are entitled to lessen the amount of income tax you pay through deductions and tax credits. So what are deductions? They are expenses you can subtract from your total income to enter a lower tax bracket. One common deduction example would be the RRSP contribution, which allows you to delay the payment of your taxes. For example, if you contribute $10,000 to your RSP, your taxable income goes from $100,000 to $90,000, which means you go from a bracket taxed at 26% to a bracket taxed at 20.5%. Looking at our previous example, we go from having to pay the government around $18,000 in taxes to around $16,000, saving you about $2,000 in taxes. Other deductions include union or professional dues, childcare expenses, and spousal support payments. Now, what are tax credits? There are allowances offered by the government to reduce tax owing. These include basic personal amount, employment insurance premiums, Canada Pension Plan contributions, tuition, student loan interest, medical expenses, charitable donation, and qualified moving expenses. This year in 2020, the deadline to file your taxes is June 1st, and the payment date for the 2019 tax year is September 1st, 2020. You should note that normally individual tax returns for each year must be filed by April 30th of the following year.